Hey, what's up everybody? John here from Maximum Overdrive with Isaac.
Hey guys.
And we need your assistance today. We need your help to figure out what we should do. We got two problems here. So problem number one, which plate should we go on the back of here? We've got a stainless steel and we've got the carbon fiber. And so we're gonna give you a first-hand look at what it will look like. Let's start with the stainless. So you put that stainless on there, that's what it looks like. I like this because it kind of enhances the McLaren, which is all in, you know, kind of the stainless look or the chrome look, if you will.
Yeah, I think it complements it very well.
When I put on the carbon fiber, I don't get the vibe. The rest of the car is black. This has gray in it. I just feel it's awkward. But we're gonna leave it up to the viewers to decide what they like. Comment below, let us know what you guys think. And this is what will be going on the McLaren itself. So you get your choice. Whoever comments, whatever we get the most comments for, that's what we'll go with. The second question is, what custom plate should we go with this? We're gonna put a custom plate up to 7 characters. Help us think of a custom name, a custom plate to put on this, up to 7 characters again. And try to think of multiples because some of them already might be taken and that might be a problem we run into. So the person who comes up with the name for this plate, we're gonna be sure to give you some form of a prize. We've got a little something over our sleeve here. So definitely hit us up in the comments below with both, which one you think looks better, the stainless steel, the carbon fiber, and then whoever wins, whoever picks the right name or the name we like the best for the car, we'll be sure you get something special from us here at Maximum Overdrive. So again, like us, give us the comments below, and yeah, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys' time.